hey guys, how are you today? It's Rita. Hello, thanks for tuning into my channel. Today I'm doing something that I love to do. I'm gonna tell you about brushing your teeth. Today I'm doing it in my bathroom. I'm not doing it at work like I've done in the past. So I'm gonna tell you what to use. Oh, actually, I'm gonna tell you what I use because I think I'm using the right products that you can use. I'm a dental hygienist. I think I'm just the perfect person to tell you what to do. Anyway, I am perfect. Why should I say I'm not perfect? I am perfect. So I'm gonna tell you what I use. I'm quite lucky that in my bathroom, I don't know if you can see, I've got the plug in, so I can plug my electric toothbrush in. So that is not a problem. So look, that's the brush I use. It's an Aerobi toothbrush. It's electric. It's connected to my phone, so it's quite cool because it can tell me how much I've brushed for. It's got different timers. It's got the sensitivity, the whitening, the gum care, which is really good. The intense, so if you want to brush too hard but we don't want to brush our teeth too hard, and the super sensitive. It's got the tongue clean as well, so basically you just keep changing it, you just keep pressing the button and then you get what you need to use, which one you sort of suits you. So let's say if your teeth are sensitive, you go for the sensitive setting. Do you get what I mean? So it's something like that. Very good toothbrush. That's the one I use. I normally use a manual toothbrush as well, sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes. It's a small head toothbrush, very tiny, but it's perfect because it reaches the back teeth a lot better. Well, to be honest, the electric one as well is really small compared to that one, but the advantage with the manual one is I feel like sometimes I can reach the back a lot better, so I think it's good to mix it up. So what I do personally, I use my electric in the morning and I use the manual one before I go to bed. So I sort of mix it up, and I think it's good to mix it up because you get a bit of both. Although it's not a problem to just use the electric, yeah. Manual on its own is good, but I would still like the electric because that you can never get enough movement like you get from an electric toothbrush, yeah. So the other thing I use, I'll put that back on the charger. The other thing I use that I love is this. I don't know if you've used them before. They're called Tepe brushes. All you do is, let me come close. You bend it a little bit. So I bend it like that. And then I go in between my teeth like that. Sorry, like that. Like that. Like that. Like that. Like that. If you look, my teeth are not bleeding as ever because, yeah, like that. My teeth are not bleeding whatsoever because I use my TPs daily. So if you look after your teeth on a daily, like cleaning between them every day, you won't get a lot of bleeding. The gums will feel a lot healthier. Whereas some people use these Tepe brushes and they end up getting a lot of bleeding. It's only because they're not doing it regularly. So when they come to do it, the gums are a little bit inflamed, and once they go in, it just starts bleeding. Or sometimes you're being too aggressive. Be kind to those teeth, my friend. Be kind to your teeth. Don't go too hard. Don't go too hard on them. Just be nice. Just go in gently, so then you're not causing trauma. Because if you cause trauma, then the bleeding, they'll bleed as well. Right. So I can wash that under the tap. Wash it. It comes with a cover. Put the cover on. Use it the next day. They are reusable, so you don't have to throw them away every time you use them. The next thing I tend to use, I told you I'm opening something exciting. Here it is. It's the dun dun dun, the amazing. Put that down. I'm excited. I love gadgets. Actually, I love gadgets. Dun dun dun! an Air-floss Pro. Airfloss Pro. It's used for cleaning in between your teeth. It's sort of like flossing your teeth but using water. Exciting. I love things like this. It's brand new. Haven't used it yet. It comes with a head. So that's my head. I love things like this. It gets me excited. Sorry, I love teeth, so I get excited about every little thing to do with teeth. So that's the cover. Not cover, what am I talking about? That's the head that you put on. Yeah, just press it on there and there we go. I've got myself a second charger. Let's see. Oh, rubber knot. Wow. Where my electric toothbrush is an Oral-B, we've got different chargers. So this one is for the Oral-B. Well, yeah, I got this charger is for the Oral-B, but this has come with its charger as well. So we're gonna plug it in and charge it. Remember I told you I'm quite lucky. In my bathroom I've got the plug, so I can just plug it in and put it on. Is it supposed to light up? So I guess I've got to charge it for some time. I want to use it right now. Okay, let's give it some time to charge and then I'll show you how it works. Okay, here we are. You press the turn on button, then get closer to the teeth. Imagine that's your teeth and just press. Did you hear that? Tooth by tooth. Oh, the water splashed on my face. Look. That's it. That's the sort of thing you're looking for. Can you see the water? Be systematic. So do it in order. One tooth at a time. So I won't forget the children. I do think about children as well because I'm a mom and I like advising parents about brushing their children's teeth. Brushing children's teeth can be a bit tricky because some of them don't like it. It's life. We all, I mean, when we're kids, we don't like some things, but some of them like it. What I normally use with my little ones is this beauty. I love this toothbrush. What I love about it is the fact that it changes colors. I don't know if you can see. And just that, the changing of colors makes my son love it. My son loves his toothbrush because he thinks it's a toy, right? It vibrates. I don't know if you can hear the noise. Can you hear that? Ooh. It vibrates and it's got a small head, which is perfect for him, right? The other thing about it is I can change the settings. Sometimes if he doesn't like the flashy light, it can just stay in one color. So it goes like that. I don't know if you can see it. It's just bright, but it's not changing colors. He loves that as well. So this toothbrush was really designed for kids in a good way. Some kids don't like electric toothbrushes, so what you can do is use a manual one. Get a very small head toothbrush. The smaller the head, the better, because what happens is it's easier to maneuver. Help the children. Don't let them brush their teeth. Try and get involved. Make it exciting. Buy toothpaste that are sort of tasty, so they sort of like what they're doing. That's the one I use for them. I don't know why my screen is going dark. That's what I use for them. This is quite exciting. Look, just the look of the tube just makes the child want to brush their teeth. It's got Teletubbies on it. So my son is always like, Mummy, let's go get the Teletubbies. So make it exciting, interactive. Don't just be boring about it where you just chuck a toothbrush at them and you're like, yeah, go brush your teeth. No, make it exciting. It's not even that expensive because the toothbrush was only £10 and the toothpaste, it's only like £3 or even less. But you can look around for cheaper options. Got this from Amazon, so check out your Amazons to get the best toothbrushes for your kids. You can get some toothbrushes from Tesco's and things like that. The manual ones, the small head ones. Always make sure the head is small so it can fit in the mouth properly. Another thing, make sure the toothpaste is got fluoride in it. Fluoride is very important because it strengthens our teeth. So always look on the tube to make sure the toothpaste is got fluoride in it. All right. Oh, by the way, don't forget to subscribe, Return Alerts, to get more videos about my life, about what I do, about what I enjoy to do. So press that button to remind you as well. So yay! So we can grow together. Exciting. Yeah. So that's all I had for you today. Quick recap. Main things I use: electric toothbrushes. I do use manual toothbrushes as well, and I do recommend both electric and manual. Always go for a small head. The smaller the head your toothbrush is, the better, because then it reaches everywhere in your mouth. Also, floss your teeth. You can use the Air-floss that goes in between with the water, which is amazing. Or you can use the ordinary floss. Another thing you can also use is Tepe brushes. Reach out to your dentist, your dental hygienist, to guide you on what to use and what's best for you. Well, I can talk to you and tell you what to use, but they can look and see what you need. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Mwah!